Hello, I'm NAVJOT, and today we're going to delve into the realm of the cosmos, exploring some of NASA's most fascinating planetary discoveries. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, more popularly known as NASA, has been at the forefront of space exploration for over 6 decades. One of their major focuses has been the search for exoplanets, particularly those that bear similarities to our home Earth. Such discoveries hold immense importance as they not only widen our understanding of the universe, but also bring us a step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in this vast cosmos? These planets, like distant mirrors of Earth, provide us with a glimpse into the possibilities of life beyond our solar system. Now, equipped with a sense of curiosity and wonder, let's journey through the vast expanse of space to meet these exotic planets. First on our interstellar journey, we encounter Kepler 186f, a planet that has intrigued scientists since its discovery. Welcome to the constellation Cygnus, 500 light-years from Earth, where Kepler 186f orbits its host star Kepler 186. It's the outermost of 5 planets circling this particular star, in a solar system that's both similar and radically different from our own. Kepler 186f is a fascinating world, roughly the same size as Earth, making it an Earth-sized planet. But size isn't everything, right? So, what makes this planet so intriguing? Well, it's the first Earth-sized planet discovered in the habitable zone of another star, the region where conditions might be just right to support liquid water, and consequently, life as we know it. However, it's not exactly Earth's twin. The star it orbits, Kepler 186, is a red dwarf, much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This means that despite being in the habitable zone, Kepler 186f only receives about a third of the sunlight that Earth does. If you could stand on the surface of Kepler 186f, the brightness of its star at high noon would appear as dim as our Sun about an hour before sunset. So, could there be life on Kepler 186f? That's the million-dollar question. While we can't say for sure without more data, the discovery of Kepler 186f opens the possibility that there are other planets out there with the right size and in the right location to support life. It's worth noting that despite the differences, Kepler 186f is more reminiscent of Earth than any other exoplanet we've discovered so far. Its size and location in the habitable zone give it the potential to have an atmosphere and a climate that could support liquid water and possibly life. Kepler 186f, a tantalizing peek into the possibilities of life beyond our home planet. As we continue our cosmic journey, let's carry this sense of wonder and curiosity with us, because who knows what other marvels await us in the vast expanse of the universe. Next, we journey to Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to our solar system. Located in the Alpha Centauri star system, this intriguing world sits a mere 4.2 light-years away from us. If you think of the universe as your neighborhood, then Proxima Centauri b would be just around the corner. The size of Proxima Centauri b is strikingly similar to our own planet Earth, which instantly piques our interest. But size isn't everything, especially when it comes to exoplanets. We're also intrigued by its composition. This exoplanet is likely to be rocky, just like Earth, further enhancing its appeal to scientists and space enthusiasts alike. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Proxima Centauri b orbits a red dwarf star which is considerably smaller and cooler than our Sun. This means that despite its Earth-like size and likely rocky composition, Proxima Centauri b's habitability is far from certain. Its proximity to its star could mean that it's tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing the star, basking in constant daylight, while the other side is trapped in an eternal night. Imagine that, a world of permanent day and night. Yet the intrigue doesn't stop there. Proxima Centauri b resides in what's known as the habitable zone. This is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. However, the harsh radiation from its host star could strip away any atmosphere this exoplanet might have, making the existence of life as we know it quite challenging. So, while Proxima Centauri b may not be the perfect vacation spot just yet, it certainly holds a lot of promise. The more we learn about this fascinating exoplanet, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. Every new piece of information brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Proxima Centauri b, a neighboring world that holds both promise and mystery. And now, we set our sights on Kepler 452b, a planet that's been dubbed Earth's older cousin. Nestled within the constellation Cygnus, nearly 1400 light-years away from us, Kepler 452b orbits its star in what we call the habitable zone, a region that's just right for life as we know it. Much like Goldilocks' perfect porridge, this zone offers conditions that are neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist. And where there's water, there may just be life. Kepler 452b is about 60% larger than Earth, earning it the classification of a super-Earth. Now, don't let the term mislead you. Super-Earth doesn't necessarily mean that the planet is more Earth-like. It's just a way for us to categorize exoplanets that are larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. One of the most intriguing aspects of Kepler 452b is its orbital period. This planet takes 385 days to complete a full orbit around its star. That's just 20 days longer than our own Earth year. It's this similarity that sparks our curiosity and fuels our imagination. Could this slightly longer year lead to longer seasons? How would life adapt to such conditions? Kepler 452b star is also interesting. It's about 6 billion years old, 1.5 billion years older than our Sun. This age difference has led some to speculate that if there is life on Kepler 452b, it could be more advanced than life on Earth. But before we get carried away with the idea of extraterrestrial civilizations, let's remember that Kepler 452b is still a world of mystery. We don't know if it has water, we don't know if it has an atmosphere. What we do know, however, is that it's an exciting target for future study, a world that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Kepler 452b, an older, larger version of Earth that challenges our understanding of planetary formation and evolution. Finally, we venture to the TRAPPIST-1 system, home to not one, but two Earth-like planets, TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e. This system, located a mere 40 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius, is unique for its compact nature and the number of planets it hosts. 7 to be exact, with TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e being the third and fourth from their star. A significant aspect of these two planets is their size, which is comparable to Earth's. TRAPPIST-1d is slightly smaller, while TRAPPIST-1e is a bit larger. But it's not just their size that sparks interest. Both planets are located in the habitable zone of their star, a region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on their surfaces. But what makes the TRAPPIST-1 system especially intriguing is the star at its center. Unlike our Sun, TRAPPIST-1 is an ultra-cool dwarf star. It's much cooler and less luminous, which means its planets can orbit much closer while still potentially supporting life. This close proximity to their star means that TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e have shorter years, completing an orbit in just 4 and 6 Earth days, respectively. Moreover, these two planets are tidally locked to their star. This means that one side of each planet is always facing the star, experiencing perpetual daylight, while the other side is in eternal darkness. This unique situation could lead to extreme temperature differences from one side of the planet to the other, potentially creating powerful winds and weather patterns. Yet despite these harsh conditions, the potential for life on TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e cannot be ruled out. In fact, studies suggest that TRAPPIST-1e, with its denser atmosphere, might even have liquid water oceans. Imagine that. Oceans on another world, possibly teeming with life. TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e, twin worlds that offer a glimpse into the diversity and potential of life in the universe. Exploring these planets has indeed been a fascinating journey, hasn't it? We began with Kepler 186f, the first Earth-sized planet discovered in the habitable zone, a place where liquid water could exist. Next, we visited Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to us and a potential abode for life. Then, we journeyed to Kepler 452b, a planet more similar to Earth than any other in terms of size and the amount of sunlight it receives. Finally, we explored the twin planets of TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e, both offering the tantalizing possibility of hosting life. These discoveries are not just about finding new worlds, they're about understanding our place in the universe and the potential for life beyond Earth. They are a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other Earth-like worlds we may find? For now, this is NAVJOT signing off. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars